Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie and today I'm going to cook some red peas soup. I already put the peas on to boil, so I'm going to add in my chicken foot, already seasoning. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the pot. Have some pumpkins and potato cut up, so I'm just going to add them as well. Okay, I'm going to put the pressure cooker cover on, pressure it for a little and leave it to pressure for 20 minutes. So stay tuned. I will be back. Yes guys, welcome back. I'm just gonna add my coconut milk into the pot. The peas is already cooked and the chicken food, so I'm gonna put in my ground provision. I already cut up them, so I'm just gonna put them in. Okay. I am going to also put my dumplings. I'll put my dumpling in already prepared to do. Yes guys, this is what they look like so far. So you can see all my ground provisional is in. So I'm just gonna put the dumpling now and let it cook for a while. I add a little more flour to this. So I'm just gonna knead it. So I'm just putting it up already. Yes guys, as I told you before, it's whole wheat flour. With cornmeal. Yes guys, put all I dumpling in. So this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna cover it now to let it cook down. My banana. I know some people would say, why you put banana in red pea soup? I love doing banana. I always put it in my red pea soup. That is it. Green banana give you iron, lots of iron. That's the reason why I put it in. So I am just gonna cover it now. Let it cook. Yes guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my seasoning, my pepper, my thyme, and my scallion. I'm gonna put some butter in. My cock soup and pumpkin soup. Just gonna stir it quick because I don't want it to lump up or sit in one place. Yes guys, look at my soup. It's looking good already. And the cock soup hasn't boiled down as yet. So it's so thick. So I'm just gonna turn down the stove and allow it. Tastes good. Tastes the coconut milk. I already put pimento seed in there, pressure the cheese. So all of those are inside. So I am going to allow it to cook down up to 15 minutes. So I'm going to turn down the stove on low heat, so it doesn't burn. Yes guys, look at the soup. This is a consistent, nice and thick. I'm just gonna let it another 5 minutes and it's ready. Look at it.
How long would you say it takes you to make the soup? And how often do you make it?
Soup can take up to an hour, hour and a half. It all depends on what type of soup you're cooking. And I cook soup every week. Every week I cook soup.
Do the ingredients change at all, or is it just the same ingredients?
Yeah, sometimes I. Yes guys, welcome back. As you can see, my soup is ready and I'm going to share out my dinner now. I'm going to share mine. This is what they look like. Red meat soup. Some more food. As you can see, this is what it look like guys. Yes guys, as you can see what it come down to, this is the end result. We made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.